They sound like science fiction, but they were real. Mind control, invisibility, remote viewing. And the strangest part? Most of them were funded by governments. These are 10 real experiments that sound too wild to be true, but aren't. 1. Project MKUltra, the mind control program. In the 1950s, the CIA secretly dosed citizens with LSD without their consent. They wanted to see if the human mind could be hacked, controlled, erased, or rewritten. The project went on for 2 decades before being exposed. By then, many participants had lost their sanity and their memories. It sounds like movie, but it happened. 2. Project Stargate, psychic spies of the CIA. Believe it or not, the U.S. government paid people to see across space and time. Called remote viewers, these so-called psychic soldiers claimed to visualize secret enemy bases from miles away. Declassified reports show they sometimes got it right. However, the program was not useful, so it got terminated. 3. Project Acoustic Kitty, the spy cat. In the 1960s, the CIA tried to turn a cat into a spy. They surgically implanted microphones and transmitters inside real cats, hoping they could sneak into Soviet meetings. The first mission ended seconds after launch, when the cat ran into traffic. So, it got terminated after that. 4. The Philadelphia experiment, invisibility gone wrong. A 1943 naval experiment allegedly tried to make a U.S. warship invisible using electromagnetic fields. Witnesses claimed the ship vanished and reappeared with crew members fused into the metal. Officially denied. But the myth still refuses to die. Many still cannot process it. 5. Project HAARP, controlling the weather? In Alaska, massive antennas sent energy into the atmosphere to study ionospheric physics. Conspiracy theorists claim it could manipulate weather, trigger earthquakes, or even influence thoughts. The truth? We still don't know exactly what all those experiments revealed. And they were not able to manipulate it. 6. Operation Sea Spray, germs over San Francisco. In the 1950s, the U.S. military released bacteria over San Francisco to test how biological weapons might spread. Thousands inhaled it unknowingly. Officials called it harmless, but several residents got sick and one died. After that, they come to know that it was not harmless at all. 7. Project A119, blowing up the moon. In the late 1950s, the U.S. Air Force drafted a plan to nuke the moon. Why? To show Soviet Russia America's nuclear strength, visible from Earth. Luckily, scientists argued it would contaminate space forever, so the plan was shelved. 8. Unit 731, the horrors of human experimentation. During World War II, Japan's Unit 731 performed biological experiments on prisoners, freezing limbs, infecting victims, dissecting them alive. The shocking part? After the war, the U.S. granted immunity to its leaders in exchange for their research. The existence and full extent of Unit 731's crimes remained largely unknown to the general public. 9. The Montauk Project, Stranger Things origins. Rumors of mind control, time travel, and psychic children swirl around a secret base in Montauk, New York. Though officially dismissed, whistleblowers claimed kids were used in reality-bending experiments. It later inspired Stranger Things. These stories are example of how Cold War secrecy and other things can merge to create enduring myths. 10. DARPA's insect cyborgs, the real-life drone bugs. DARPA scientists developed actual cyborg insects with implanted microchips. They could fly, transmit signals, and even respond to commands, half bug, half machine. It's not a movie. It's real and still evolving. Mind control, invisibility, psychic spies. The line between science fiction and government science is thinner than we think. Because sometimes the truth really is stranger than fiction.